Hey people, it's Rickaquaog here. Welcome to another video. So as you can see from the title, today we have the new M1 MacBook Pro to unbox. I actually ordered this I think on launch day, but due to where I find myself on this earth, mine got here like a month after. So here we have the 14-inch M1 MacBook Pro, and we're literally just going to go through the unboxing experience and maybe set this up, and later on we're just going to see what this has to offer. So before I do that, before I go through the unboxing experience, I want to just talk about what I was using before this. The first or the last MacBook I owned is right on the right. This was also the 14-inch from 2012. A lot of people don't know this, but this was the last MacBook that I owned. I spoke with a lot of my creator friends last year. I was actually trying to buy the new M1 that came last year, but I don't know, I heard rumors about this one coming out, so I eventually waited. And this has been through a lot. Like, just check it out. Keyboard doesn't work, trackpad doesn't work, screen is broken. This is the reason why I got the Keychron keyboard, the Apple Magic Mouse and all, because this is literally like a desktop now. I can't use it without any of those things. It's always plugged into my external display. That was how I was using this, and that was the last time I used Final Cut. So I actually missed Final Cut. And this also has everything. As you can see, we still have the ports. You have the ports, you have the type A ports, you have the SD card slots, and this already came with MagSafe. So my last MacBook had a MagSafe. So, and this should look like what I'm about to unbox. It's chunky, it's boxy, it looks really old. So I'm actually excited to get into this one. So let's put that on the side. Maybe we might do some comparisons on the way. So what we have here is the 14-inch, like I said. Where is the seal? Let's break that seal. Y'all ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. Alright, it's done. I am in. Guys, I'm in. I'm in. There's no going back now. This is the 14-inch. I'm about to open it. Like, literally about to open it. Drum roll, please. Oh, let's go, let's go. Woo! Oh my. This looks good. This looks good. Let me show it to you guys here. That is it. In a paper wrapping. I think Apple has stopped the plastics. So in the paper wrapping, what do? Lift this up. You know what? Let's just check what else comes in the box before we actually open it. All right, so it's designed by Apple. Designed by Apple, made in California. Regular paperwork. Let's see. Let's see. MacBook Pro. Wow, I really don't know how to get. Oh, we have black Apple stickers. That's nice. For nothing. All right, so here we have the charging brick. This is the 67 watts. I actually, the first time I was trying to get this, I was trying to get the faster charger, and with that I would have gotten the MacBook in like December. So I actually ended up canceling my order and going to the store to actually pick this up. So here we have the 67 watts fast charger, which should be okay. Like, I always use my MacBook plugged in, so I don't think I actually need a fast charger for this. This is cool. This looks like my previous one, so that is nice. Still unplugs, right? Yeah, cool. Still the same. Whoa. And the braided cable. We have here a braided cable for the MagSafe charger, which looks cool. We'll definitely get into this very soon. I think that is it. That is it for now, right? Let's just put these things back. Let's check out what else. Let's check out the MacBook itself. Okay, you go to the side. Someone bring me the MacBook itself. Woo! Here you go. Guys, let's take a while. Let's take some time to appreciate this. Like, thank you to you guys. Like, seriously, I have to say thank you to you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys, I couldn't afford this. The fact that you guys keep watching my videos, I've been doing this for the past 2 years now. That's the only way I could have afforded this. The channel grew because you guys kept watching my videos. So before I open this, I want to say thank you to you guys for making this possible, and keep supporting your bro. A lot of good stuff should come. So let's just do this. So let's get the paper wrapping off. All right. Okay, so the first thing that we saw here is the MacBook logo being embossed there. That looks really cool. And all right. I like this. Yo, I like this. This looks good. It feels good. I like the boxy shape. First, wow. The 2012 edition is way heavier than this. Like, it's very heavy compared to this. Kind of looks similar in some ways, but as you can see, it's slightly bigger than the 2021 model. If I've had this since 2012, I actually got it like 2016 or so, but this has been very good, so I'm sure this is going to last. Let's get into this. So this is the first time you're going to unbox this or open this guy. Ooh. Whoa, I heard that. I heard that. The speakers, like, I heard that. Let's go. Here it is, guys. The 2021 M1 MacBook Pro in the flesh. Oh my god. That screen. Yo, that screen. I'm sure the camera is not doing justice here, but that screen. That screen, guys. I definitely need a microfiber cloth because this looks good. Wow. Okay, the notch. The notch is there. The notch is there. It's not pretty, but we're gonna deal with it later. That screen, guys. Let's just set this up. Let's set this up. All right. So before we do that, let me see. Everything looks really cool. I like the way that the keyboard has this nice black background now. Was it the same in 2012? Let's see. Okay, so 2012 actually had the gray background, so this is new. This is cool. We also have a fingerprint sensor up here on the top right. The trackpad seems to be a little bit small. I think I prefer the trackpad on the 16-inch. This seems to be a little small, but everything seems to be cool. Like I said, the screen looks really good. Trackpad is very responsive. Let's just go into this and let's just set this up. All right, so English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
All right, let's do this.
Turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape.
Okay guys, we're finally done. This is nice. Like, this is, I know everybody's complaining about the weight, but probably because I never owned any of the 2016, 17, 18, 19 MacBooks. This is light compared to my 2012 MacBook. Like, this is really heavy. This is light. This is like lightweight compared to that. And the fact that the screen is so nice, like, I just can't wait to go play movies on this to see how it looks like. The screen looks really good. This is a 120 Hz liquid retina display, and I don't know what that means, but it is good. That's what matters. And the fact that while setting it up, I realized how much I missed the fingerprint sensor. It was really clutch. Like, getting into this, it's like really fast. So I like that. Like, I actually miss having a fingerprint sensor on an iPhone now. And the notch, talk about the notch. Like I said, it's not pretty, but the fact that this is still a 16:9 screen, and that is like, this is a 16:9 screen, right? And that is not supposed to be part of the screen. The fact that it actually gives us extra screen real estate, and like, this is not, Apple could have decided to like fill this part with a black bar or something, but it's there. Yes, they should have actually at least put the Face ID in there or something, but I personally don't think it's pretty, but I'm not mad it's there because that part of the screen is not supposed to be there in the first place. But now we get all our notifications and the Finder, like everything that we need to operate our MacBook, the battery meter and everything up there, which is really cool. So this is just an unboxing and setup of the new M1 MacBook Pro. I actually forgot to share with you the specs that we have here. I was just so excited to get into this. This is actually the 8-core CPU and 14-core GPU variant. This is just the base model, but from all the reviews that I've heard, this is like absolutely good for everything that I'm going to be using it for. Like last year's MacBook M1 was great. This is just going to be bonkers. So I really can't wait to start editing on this again, on the MacBook again. So I'm actually really excited to get back to using a MacBook. So this is an unboxing and first impression video of the new M1 MacBook Pro. I definitely should be coming at you guys with a lot of content